How to log into USP Liteblue Employee Portal. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. Without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Chrome application from your device and at the top search bar, type in Liteblue Login USP. Then you will see its official website on the first search result. Tap open it. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now all you have to do is type in your employee ID at the employee identification number box. And in case you would like this site to remember your employee ID, tap on the box that says keep me signed in. And once done, tap on to next at the bottom of the page. At the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. If your credential matches your account, you will be successfully get logged into your account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.